You can make this cute owl magnet out of polymer clay and a bottle cap. It's easy, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need gold, dark brown, white, orange, and black polymer clay, a strong round magnet, bottle cap, toothpick, and a baking dish that is not metal. Press enough gold clay into your bottle cap so that it fills it about 3/4 of the way full. Be sure and press it clear into the edges of the bottle cap. Make a flat oval-shaped piece of white clay to make the belly of the owl. Press it into place onto the gold clay. Make 2 flattened teardrop shapes for the wings. Pinch the end of the wing to a point and turn it in towards the middle so it looks like an apostrophe. Press the wings into place onto each side. Make 2 large flat circles to start the eyes. Place them close together and overlap with the belly a little bit. Add flattened gold circles, just a little bit smaller than the dark brown circles. Now add white circles on top of the gold circles, again slightly smaller. As the pieces get smaller, you can use a toothpick to help you get things into the right place. Finally, add black pupils to the middle, and these will be much smaller than the white circles, maybe just half as big. Make a triangle with very pointy long ends to go right in between the eyeballs and to frame the eyes at the top. Use a toothpick to help you get this into place. Add a small orange triangle for the beak. Then add 2 more orange triangles to make the feet. As a final touch, you can add tiny white dots of clay to the eyes just to make a little highlight to give them a little extra character. Bake the owl according to the clay manufacturer's instructions. For this one, it'll be 275 degrees for about 20 minutes, but check the instructions to be sure. Once your owl is baked and completely cooled, it's time to put on the magnet. You don't need to use any glue because the magnet will just stick to the metal bottle cap. If you do want to glue it though, I'd recommend using a thick, strong glue like E6000. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you new videos every week.